Hello friends. So one of the most underrated questions from the Python. The question is reverse a list using Python. Okay. Everyone know the Python list tuple dictionary. What is the difference between list tuple and dictionary? What is the constructor? What is the decorator? What is the generator? What is the iterator? Okay. Everyone know these kind of things. But some some of they will struggle with reverse the list. If you ask to person, any person, uh, can you reverse the list, they will think for a second. Okay, how will reverse the list? Okay, so this is the most underrated questions. But the the interviewer even asked to the experienced people, fresher people, and even up to the 10 years experienced people, this question they're going to ask, can you reverse the list, can you reverse the list? So okay, we'll see it. But people know the reverse number, reverse string. These questions most popular for fresher experience anyone. But this is reverse the list. Okay, reverse the list. This question also asks sometime in interview. And if you are not able to make, that is very 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 difficult you will face in future. Okay, so okay, we'll show you how we are reversing the list. Okay, so I have put a debugger here and executing the list. Okay, so it's came to the for loop. And that for loop I have one list, the variable lst. In that list the value is 76, 98, 33, 2, 55 and 6. And from that list they will take the first value into I. 76, it will come into I. How it will come? It will go reverse. I have take one empty list. Okay, here empty list I have taken one empty list. That empty list I have put the dot. Empty list dot insert. Where I need to insert? At 0 position. This is the position 0, and I need to insert I. What is the I? That value here. Okay, so I need to insert at 0 position. Okay, so I, I'm detail here. Okay, so 0 position. Okay, next one. And we'll get the reverse. See, ref is the variable, empty list, 0 position. I means what? Value 76, and they will insert into that value. It's inserted. Now second time it will come 98. Now 98, 70 is 76 already is present. Okay, at 0 position only. Now second time what will we do? 98. How it will come 98? Because 0 position they want 98. That's why I put here 0. Okay, that's why it's put in 0. So 0 position. So 76 will go to the second position. That second position is 1. Okay, so now it will come to the 98. Now the list inserted came to the third item. The third item is what is 33. Now 33 where it will insert? At 0 position only. And these two items will go the left. Go the left of the item, and it 0 position it will insert the 33, and one position it will happen 98, two position will be 76. Like that it is inserting the value into the list. Okay, see 55, 6. So and printing the list. How it is printing? See, so 6 is the first position. How it is come here? From the this list. And this is the method to insert the value into list. I am saying to you, this is the most underrated question. We don't know when interviewer they will ask. We know the reverse number, reverse list, reverse number, reverse string. But in some time they will ask this question, obviously 100%. Okay, so please be prepared. Use insert function. Okay, no one will stop you to insert, stop the insert function. Anyhow, you can. Interviewer want only the answer. Okay, if you will answer the question, I don't know, they will don't expect to how you are doing the code. only see the answer, some interviewer. But some, if you are mistaking somewhere, the interviewer also consider. But you have to explain that how you are doing, what you are doing. Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching.